Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to a new video. So as you have seen from the title, we're gonna discuss three stock splits that are coming very soon and what they are exactly planning to do and what date they are doing. We're gonna discuss all about that. So if you are interested, please stick around and let's start with the video. So before we go into the individual stocks, I just want to quickly discuss that stock split phenomena. And this is not something new, and there have been many companies that does it. And the main reasons behind that is to make the stock prices kind of attractive and liquid, to increase the liquidity in the market. So if the stock price is kind of gone too high, then they try to kind of cut it down using this stock split so that it becomes more accessible for a lot of investors, right? So if you have remembered recently, like Amazon, Tesla, they did the stock split, right? So Amazon used to be like close to like $2,000 per stock, right? So that's like a small investors, they cannot attract the small investors with that kind of a stock price, right? So that is one of the reason that a lot of companies do that. In terms of a stock value for an individual investor, it doesn't make any difference, because you would still have, if you have $100 invested in a company, even after the split you would have $100. So what makes it attractive is basically during the run up to the stock split, a lot of buyers get into the stocks anticipating that there would be a upside move or a downside move. Basically it kind of increases the liquidity in the market for that particular stock. So this could be a good time if you wanna make use of that run up to the stock split. Okay, so the first stock that I want to discuss is the Cooper companies. This is ticker symbol COO, and this is kind of right now it's trading at 387, right? So as you can see, this is already pretty high price, so that's what this could be the one of the reason that they're going for a stock split. So this company, if you wanna know more about this company, they are basically into the medical devices. They have two divisions, like one is a Cooper Vision, which kind of does all the lenses. The other is Cooper Surgical, which basically makes a lot of other equipments mainly related to the women's health. If you wanna go more detail into that, you can always visit through site. But for today's video, we just wanna stick to the investor side of it. So if you go to their investor page right here, as you can see here, right, this company announced a 4-for-1 split, right? So what that means is if you have currently own one stock for Cooper companies, that's gonna be you're gonna get 4 stocks for one stock, right? So in terms of prices, it's not gonna make any difference. So let's say the company is at $400 per share, right? So you're gonna get 4 shares of $100 each, right? So in terms of the total value of the stock, it won't change, and they're gonna do it on right after the close of trading day, Feb 16th, right? So this is the date that you have to keep in mind. Okay, the second one is ticker symbol CENT, that is the Central Garden and Pet, and this company is right now sitting at around 47, and they have also announced a stock split. If you wanna check more about them, they are basically kind of a central pet and garden kind of company. They make a lot of products related to the pets. So if you wanna know more about them, you can always browse through their site. What we are interested in from an investor perspective, so based on their filing, right, so I think they announced like 1 share for every 4 shares. So what it means is basically if you have 4 shares, they're gonna issue 1 more share. So 1 more share for every 4 shares. So if you have 40 shares before the split, after the split you're gonna have 50 shares. So that's what this means, is that this is how they're gonna split it. So every company have their own way to split and adjust the stock price based on what they see the value, or how they can attract more investor into the company, right? Okay, the last one is actually not a stock. This is more of a ETF, right? So this is a ticker symbol S. So this is a ticker symbol SOXX, right? So this is basically the semiconductor ETF. It's kind of, if you look through the holdings, the top holdings include AMD, Nvidia, and all the Intel and all the semiconductor chip companies, right? So they are made up of that. So they have also announced their stock split, and they are going to do, I believe, on March 5th, if I'm not wrong. So if you go to their ETF page, right, you can get more details about their performance and everything. And if I come to their investing summary, right, so yeah, so as you can see, right, so basically what they've announced is that anything for each fund other than the ICR, the record date for, so it's gonna happen on March 4th. And the SOXS, they are going 3 for 1, right? So if you have one share for it, they're gonna issue 3 shares for that, right? So that's how gonna, so like I said, every company has their own way to split. Most of the time it will, you will see 4 to 1 or 3 to 1, or like Amazon did 10 for 1, right? So this is one of the shares or ETF that I am personally interested in, and they have announced for all of their other ETFs as well. So except I think their core S&P mid cap, all of the other ones are gonna happen March 6th. So if you are interested in any of the other ones, you can definitely check them out as well. So yeah guys, that was a quick video about the stock splits, and definitely if you are interested in making use of that run up to the stock split date, you can definitely do that. However, be careful that it may drop after the stock split news. So if you really want to own that particular stock, I would suggest then only go and invest in that. Okay guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.